In this very quick video guide, I want to show you how you can create backup copies in your computer or in your hard disk of your website. So if you're using WordPress, for example, or you're using like another CMS or content management system, you have something that is kind of automatically generated. And you also have tools to create backups of your website. But if you wanted to a complete backup, a total backup, now I suggest you do this other procedure that I'm going to show you. So the first step is to download and install FTP client or a software that will help you to transfer your files from the remotes folder into your local folder. So this can be done with FileZilla, but there are also other alternatives. Now this one here is open source and free. It's cross-platform. You can use it in Windows, Linux, Mac, whatever operative system you're using. So first thing, download and install FileZilla, and we already dedicated another video guide talking about this process. So I'm not gonna show that again. Now once it's downloaded and installed, you can just open it, and this is you can see here a window from my operative system, and this is the FileZilla interface. Now the most important thing is to access your website. So you can see here, well, right now I'm disconnected because it's timeout, but this will be fine for what I will show you. So this one here on the right, this is my remote website. So this is my web space represented essentially just like a series of folders, and this one here is my computer. So when you use a server, when you use a space on the web, is essentially just like your operative system. So it's a series of folders, and you need to know which folder you need to pick, essentially, if you want to just copy and paste or download your backup copy. So to access your web space, usually your provider will give you the host name, your username, the password, and that's it. You just need to connect, and usually is the name of your website, but instead of www, you have FTP or SFTP or something like that, which is the file transfer protocol to transfer files. Now, once you are inside, something like this should appear, just a folder with other folders in it. And according or depending on which provider you're using for your web space, this could change. Now, in my case, I have a provider that is creating automatically backup copies in the web space, in the cloud, so in remote. Now, if I want to take these copies or these backup copies and I want to bring them in my computer, well, with FileZilla is really easy. You just need to click and drag. That's it. Click and drag, and it's going to create a copy in the folder that you will choose right here. Now, navigating this one here, which is my computer, is just like navigating in Windows. So it's really easy. You go here. You can start with the PC, with your PC, or you can start with desktop, and then you navigate here into whatever folder you want to use. So perhaps you want to use a document, you want to use an external hard disk. So it's your choice. You can save wherever you want your backup copies. So you can either click and drag the folder that you want to copy, or you can right click here in the remote part and you right click and you download, or you can just copy and paste. So you can see that these are all backups, but this one here, these two are actually the folders created by my web space provider in order to install and use WordPress. But if you have a standard website with HTML, it's just the same thing. It's a folder, and inside the folder you'll find other files and folder. So all you need to do is take those, drag and drop right here wherever you want to create your backup copies. So this is all you need to do. It's really quick and simple. So this will be all for this video guide. If you're interested, you will find other video guides in the channel talking about similar topics, or you can just search for your topic in the channel. Subscribe to stay updated and join if you want to support us. Thanks, and see you in the next video guide.